This discussion highlighted how the media can amplify peace narratives, counter harmful rumors, and give voice to marginalized and border communities whose stories are often overlooked. So journalists were recognized not merely as observers, but as an active contributors to cross-border peace building through storytelling, investigative reporting, and daily community engagement. So journalists played a vital role in bridging divides, dispelling misinformation, and providing trusted information that support peaceful coexistence.
A critical element that as part of the building capacity, as the editors, this is what we are looking for, because this speaks to our key mandate of mentorship, training, and the partnerships want to expand and work with the next generation of editors and journalists in mentorship. And we're particularly very pleased. I came here on behalf of our president. It's important for this kind of outfit. Tonight I've just seen very many journalists and people who have got the capacity to change the narrative of Wajir and the northern frontier regions. That was always conflict. There are wonderful stories that are coming out of it. And today, knowing that media today in its plurality, despite the challenges, is thriving at the county level.